What's going on, Mojos? ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful trading day and night. And I'm going to give you an update today for towards the end of the week, Thursday, July 24th. Been a really good day. Been a grateful day. Been a Mojo day. Yes, sir. Without any further ado, let's head over to the Mojo room and the main screen and check out what's going on. All right, you got the Dosh Trader platform running right here. I picked up some SQQ on a short on my Nasdaq futures on my RT Trader right here. Let me just reduce this. Let's see here. I can hide. There we go. So like right here, I have my DOM. I'm up 785 on this account right here. And I picked it up off, got 4 left. I'm gonna go through, join bid, 3 left, and then 1 underneath that for 2 left. Let them hit that. And we get up towards 800, 900. We're looking good. Here's the chart on SQQ. Can I move myself to the other side? No. They only allow you on the right side. They should allow me on the other side. They should allow me on the other side. Hey guys, what's going on? Brad, hello, Alex. Doing a couple of giveaways today. So how's my voice coming in? Pretty good? Sound good? Start your chatting, man. How does that sound?
Sound good.
On YouTube, I'm talking now. You see me on YouTube? I'm live. I hear myself. Cool. So let's start off while this thing's running right here. I'm going to take one more off at like $800 right there. That's $800. We'll do a, what's happening on my Twitter? It's been a Mojo day. Yes, sir. Mojo. Golfing. Going to golf. Golf, trading, and Mojo. It's all what life's about. It's a Mojo day. And my Warriors. Who's going to be a warrior and become a gladiator? So you go from warrior to gladiator. And yeah, prop shop. Give them a follow right here. Let me open it in a new tab. Give them a follow right there. Let's get them to 500 today. Today, they're giving away one. So you want to follow them. Let's follow them like that. And then you click turn on all notifications like that. And there you go. Get yourself a $147 account for $14. I'm going to give away one right now for the people that like this link, this post. Start off the show with a bang. You want to get accounts? Join the Mojo. Follow my channel, man. When I go live, you're going to miss the look at you. You're already missing the first one. Let's do the Twitter giveaway. I'll do a couple today. I got to connect to Twitter. So let me connect real quick. Are we at 35? Nope. Back to 32. You know what that means? Add one. Look, join ask. Join ask. Join ask. Spread it right there. 23401. See that number? Join ask. So let's come back here and let's do this tweet. We go likes, done. Let's see who's going to win today. This is a prop shop. Trader. 50K eval giveaway. Let's do one winner and one substitute. The substitute's always jealous. He's like, oh, I would have won. I would have won, but I didn't. 31-32. And the winner is, bam, ooh, Clifford Hackey. Blonde and pretty. Blonde and pretty. It's coming back to $800 right here. There's 803. I wanted to get 805. Here's one, and we'll do 790. It's close, and we'll hold 2. So nice job, this Mrs. Let's get you going with a $50,000 prop shop account. Let's see what your name is. Your name is Clifford, H-A capital K. So let's do a search. Let's go. Clifford, H-A capital K. Why? Right there. See? Clifford Harrison. Right there. You don't have any messages, so you got to message me if you want to win. So you won. Congrats. Prop Shop Trader gave you a freaking $50,000 thing. DM me for the prize. Go ahead, let's go. Bink, bink. Let's grab your little thing right here and make it really official. Copy image. Done. Post. You're the winner. Now let's go back to the trade. 33. Yes, sir. 33. I should be at 800. Yup, 809. Told you. 5 left. That's not gambling. That's not DCAing and shit. Pull this one down. Milking another guy. I check. Oh, he called me. He's betting. The other guy's betting. I got the nuts. Oh, I got the nuts. 3 left. 2 left. They're all calling me. Oh, my God. The whole table's calling me. I'm going to win. A lot of chips. Let me sit here and twirl one. Oh, 830. Oh, 840. Oh. That's how much I'm up right now. It goes 35, 36. I'm up more. There you go. Shaka-laka boom boom. See, I'm staring at the screen. I'm twirling the chips. Look at that. Ooh. Mojo, you want to play poker against me? Let's go this hand on the right hand. Ooh. Now I'll put it in the middle. I'm not even looking. Watch. Oh, I dropped it. Don't like dropping it. I'll look at it to spin it, and then I'll do it again. See? Spin it in the middle. Let me go here. Spin it. Put it in the middle. Done. That's 1. I could do 2. I could do 2 or 3. My hands are just like all arthritic. I'm so old now. Too old. I just got to do it with my. So my mouse has to be on this hand, and then my chips in this hand. And yeah, I love having chips. $1,000 chips, $10,000 chips. It's like my balance. Look, 35. 35. Look, 35. I'm up 828 now. They're coming after him right there at 850. Sitting there like a stump on a rump, baby. Take them. Take them. Come on, baby. Give me the river. It don't matter. I already got the nuts. You lost. Look, let me show you after they take his ass how to place a stop for the last one. Then we'll go do some 420. And I could walk away. This shit goes to 1850. I got a runner from freaking Marana. Runner from Marana, baby. Get on the highway. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Who's chatting? Who's this? You claimed the giveaway? You want to start? Yes. You've claimed the Just Spal yesterday. Good job, dude. DM me. Make sure you DM. Yes, sir. Mm-mm. 850. Let me show you how to place a stop. Let me show you how to place a stop. It's very cool. See, I use this is RT Trader Pro. This is a Gladiator 250 account right here. I have 10 Gladiators. You got to make a lot of money, but I was able to because the drawdown on the Gladiator on the 250 is $12,000. Not 6, 12. I mean, something's really got to mess up with the platform to lose that kind of money out of your control versus you. So, hey, that's a good situation. I got to make $12,000 to get a payout, but hey, trade an extra 10 days and keep the account at $260K with a cushion of 10, 12K forever, taking out $1,750 a week until you take out the big one and go live. OMG, let's go, baby. Let's go. You want to show? I'll show you how to do the stop right here. So you go into this column called SM right here. It's next to the price. I'm going to scroll up to $800 right here to $815, $820, and I'm going to press it right there. Done. You see that D1? That's my stop. So if it goes there, I made $820. Done. I could show you. Whoa, my doggy likes that. So I could show you right now what the payouts look like with the prop shop, because that's all I care about. Shut up, Remy. Shut up. My dog eats the quickest bone in the world. Eats it so fast. So guys, 90% off on the prop shop. So let's go to payouts right here, explore more. And let's see what the difference is right here. Let's see about the payouts, okay? And they send you emails. So if you're a high frequency trader, a gambler, you've done this or that, they'll send you an email way before the payout. And then you have a right to appeal and all this. So read that in the email. So let's check it out right here. Profit carry forward rule applies to all Gladiator accounts and determines payout eligibility based on cumulative profits at the start of the week. Okay? Okay? Just keep on making $5,000 to $1,000 every day and then stop and you're golden. And you're golden. Let me show you the payout right here. So payouts. Here's payouts. Prop shop reserves the right to modify, increase, and decrease or abolish payout caps at its discretion. Payouts. I didn't purchase drawdown protection in the Warrior. Okay. Are there any monthly fees associated with the Gladiator accounts? No, it's a one-time sign up for the account and you sign a form. So let's go payout table. And search and see where it is right here. So here's the payout table. So if you have a 250K account, drawdown protection is 12,000. Trailing drawdown is 12,000. They have another account that you can get a drawdown of 13. Another account, it's like $100 more. You can even have a drawdown of 15,000. Ooh, look, I'm doing good. Oh, it stopped me out at 819. But that's, oh yeah, because that went lower. Yeah, see that? I'm at $819. Nice. Nice. So your payout eligibility is on level 1, 262,000. This is the one I did, the 12,000 drawdown. I have to get to 262,100. My minimum account balance, I can never go below 250,100. I can do for 12 weeks The most 1,750. The most I could make per month is $7,000 per month per account. So if I have 10 accounts, that's $70,000. And I have 10 accounts. And the first one's already in payout eligibility. So I'm rocking. The 50K account, good question. I just started. I'm getting my first payout with them, Matt. Let me show you. I'm going to go into the dashboard. Show you how I've done. Pretty cool, the dashboard. The 50K account, you have to get 2,500 trailing drawdown. You have to get to 52.6, and you can take 1,250 a week or 5,000 a month for each account. So if you have 10 accounts, bam, bam, shaka lamb. I'm going to take a join ask here on one. I'm going to take another one right up here. I'm getting back in on this thing at 32.31. Ride that baby back up to 35. Let's go. If this thing goes up, actually, let's move this higher above 23,400, which I already actually have one. Look at that. Let's go 23,406, and it'll stutter right here. It may go 23,425. Right, it was there last night. I did a couple of orders right there, and then it died right back down. That's right at $800. So let's check out this dashboard, and let's see what it says. There it goes. Look, there it goes. Told you. OMG, I only got one. Where is it? It's 850 now. I'm gonna cut it right here. $831 right there. Done. Stick that sucker in. Pay me, bitch. Pay me, bitch. Right there. Click it, bitch. Click it. Click it. Pay me. Pay me. Pay. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And then we go to the Mojo room, do a little yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we do a little told ya. Told ya. Told ya. Told ya. Told ya. Now I'm done with the trade. Let's give away another Prop Shop account. How about to everyone that's watching my live stream? Let's go, fucking Prop Shop. Then I'll show you how I'm getting a payout, and you'll tell me if I deserve one. Tell me if I deserve one. I don't know if I do. You'll see. Look at what I did. You'll say, hey, look at what he did. Is he a gambler? Is he a high FHT? Is he a fucking DCA? Is he a is he this? Is he that? Is he this? What do we pay him? Gotta find out, right? Let's go. Let's go to YouTube. Comment picker. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Who's on this one? Who's gonna load? Only 12 fucking 15 people? Come on now. Let's load those. You gotta come over from Twitter. Watch on my YouTube. What the fuck? Load them. Load them. Let's bring it on. Continue. This is for a Prop Shop TST 50K eval giveaway, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna give away. There's no substitute. There's only one winner. Who's gonna freaking win it? Go, baby. Who's winning? Who's winning it? One, and Brad Tegman. You lucky man. Today's your day, yes, sir. Boom. Keep on watching. Keep on following. Ring that bell. Ring that register, mister. You just cashed in. Go to my Twitter. Post that. Thank you. Thank you. Yo, you 60, what is it, 70 people on Twitter? Come on over, man. Come on over, man. This guy won. Let's get his name. His name is Brandon. go here. Let's go here. Find them. Brad, right there. Tegman, 7-8. Cha-chang. Done. Good job. Follow you. Dang. Boom. Claim your prize. DM me for your code. That's that prop shop, baby. You got a 50K eval. Watch it. Good job, man. Ready? Bang. Good job, dude. Told you I was giving them away. Look, 831, baby. Mojo scored again. So now, I showed you that and I showed you that. Let me show you my dashboard. See if I'm eligible for a fucking payout with these babies. All right, you got to go like to your trader dashboard, it's called. It's right here. So here's your trader dashboard, and you have to select your account. So I select that account 48, and this is the account that I'm getting my payout. My current balance is $262,665. My eligibility for my threshold is 262,100, so I'm eligible for my payout. I just have to trade my 5 days, whatever it is at the end of the week, and I request less. Right. I have to complete 3 minimum days this week, which is today, third one. I have no active flags. I don't. And I've done steady McGretty, spaghetti. Total realized profit, 12,665. Highest profit. I made $3,000, but I'm at consistency of 23%. I've got right here, I can do whatever I want. Rise response. High frequency. I was flagged on 7/14, 10 days ago on 8 trades for high frequency trading, but that's over. So look, I got flagged for gambling on that day, but it was cleared. Flagged and then cleared. And these are the days. Look, let's go to show. So the first day I made $137. Then 203. And I can tell you by looking at this was a solid day. 1 trade, 137, I'm done. Next day I did 6 tiny little trades, made 203, built up a little cushion, done. Next day I got a good couple of hands and it was my day, got ace, king, and 19 trades, sat at the table for a little bit longer. How much? 4 minutes and 8 seconds versus 43 seconds and 2. So I doubled the time there, but I totally scored with some great hands and made 1,077. The next day, 31 trades. Guys were calling me on the river, beating me, and the dealer had to tell them they fucking won. They didn't even know what they were fucking doing. I couldn't believe I lost. And I spent 8 minutes in the market then. The next day, it's all poker related, how I strategized the hand to the poker and all that. 1192 on 24 trades, solid, sat there, hand after winning hand. It was my day. Profit ratio big, and 1:37 in the market, banged out a bunch of trades. Crushed it there quickly though. The next day I doubled it with 4 minutes. It continued to go with me. It was my biggest day. This is where they called me for the gambling. It really wasn't gambling. It was just I got pocket aces, pocket kings back to back and scored on it. Really crushed it there. And the next day on a little streak, and then boom, 63. I slowed it down because it was a tabby day. Tabby day means the SQQ was not conducive on the upside. Market was too strong. I did 3 trades, called it a day at 63, but then the next day was my day. It came in my zone at $704 and I did 5 trades. And then the next day I gambled, but I didn't gamble because I have a video right here in my chat room showing you how I made that trade, because I'm going to send this in, and how I didn't gamble. See, no gamble on today's mini Hines. I made 1,000 on. You can't say I gambled. It went done, crushed. It's 1830 right now. it's 1835. Here it's 1845. There I'm a winner, now I'm a loser. So there I traded it through 1850 perfectly, not gambling. There's my trades, called it like a champ. Ooh, look at my LIDAR from $1.13 to 2 to 280. Stock went to 305. LIDAR. It's another video in itself right there. Number one gainer on the Nasdaq was LIDAR today. These are all my picks. CYCCI, XHL, and LIDR are all my picks. So yesterday, here's again my call right here. So not gambling, I saw the signal at 1876. So I went short Nasdaq futures for it to go through that to 1880 and do an accelerator nickel from 76 to 80. What I teach. So does it do it? It goes, yes, 76, 77. I take my order. It's right at 23,200. So at 1877, it goes under 23,200. And there it goes, 1879, 1880, 1882, 1883. And it fell from 23,200 to 23,166. And I got runners. That's not gambling, man. I hit a huge winner. You can't not pay me because I made more money doing that. And I saw it, and I had pocket aces, and I checked, and you raised, and he called, and I re-raised, and everybody called, and I had the nuts, and I took the entire table's chips. It's not gambling, dude. It's good fucking playing. I checked like I had nothing. There's the original one at 872 with the spike. It went from 62 to 75. Look at that spike. Look at that spike. Okay? Who else is making money in the Mojo room? Show you profit. So it was a nice trade today with Tabby at 10. She's so grateful for the level 2 signals and the SQQ. It's a brilliant system. She made 1,080. The Mojo way is not a gamble. Thanks, Chief ProTrader Mike. Again, another solid day. He made 692 and 777. And I could tell you yesterday, he made 1,163 and 847. Let's see if my numbers are right. 1,261 and 685. I was close. But I remember looking at his shizzle yesterday. ProTrader Oz passed the 50K eval that Mike gave away, calling Mike's trades during live YouTube like I'm doing now after Discord, the amazing Mojo system. He just passed it $3,801 to make 3 all day long. Good job. Here's Tabby again, keeping my target goal and not over trading. Thanks to Mike in the Mojo system, I'm really loving watching the level 2 data for the signal. She made $1,000. Here she did it again. 90% win rate. She made another $1,000 thanks to Mike in the Mojo system. Know when to trade. So many lessons learned from Mike in the trading room. There's Dino again. Solid, solid. This is when he just started at 50. Now he's at 52. You can see his growth. Just started making $200. Now he's making $1,000 because he's got his Mojo going. Got his Mojo going. There's Tabby again, 1,200, 600, 1,000. She's trading multiple accounts. She's a beast. She's a beast. Mojo's a beast. So I request a payout. I think it's on Saturday at the end of the week, and I'll let you know. So let's go, Mojo. Let's go, Mojo. So I'm going to record my day today on my recording screen, and I'm done for the day. Just take a little screenshot here of my prop shop account. Done. Let's just just want to tally the day. So that goes here. Think. All right, here we go. All right, where am I at with the prop shop? All right, let me show you the sheet. When you become, can I coach you? I give you one of these sheets. I got the sheet right here called my Mojo log. And I keep track. This is the most fun part of my day. This 8:31, I'm done. So let's move this out of the way. And close that window. I have no orders. You know, I had 2 open orders. So glad I canceled that. Cancel. Close. Okay. Now, this is my most fun part of my day. The most fun part of my day. I take this. And I bring it over here. And I record. So the first one is 262,665. 262,665. I'm up 12,665. I'm getting a fucking payout. I made $5 on that one today. Made $3.50. The next one I made 173. It's 253.62. $253.62. Done. And I take my pencil, dig, and I make it, let's go blue today. And let's cross off the first one. And we cross off the next one. The next one is 202, close profit, 219.50. 219.50. And the day before I made 409. That one is at 250,561. Done. I gotta switch this. Hold on. Column's a little messed up. No, it wasn't. I just didn't put the 250 in there. So I'm up 561. That one's done. The next one is $284.50 on that one. $284.50. Balance is $250,217. You're on my journey, boys. Let's go. The next one is 287.50. This one. That's 250, 274. Done. The next one is 526. And my P&L is only 20 bucks. So I had a problem with that one. I had to make it back. 250, 365. So that's this one. Only made a little bit of money. And 526 bucks. See that? Crazy, right? But I didn't lose. But they'll say that's high frequency trading to make that back, but it was nice. I don't care. I'll wait an extra 8 days to make it back anyway. I got to trade for 30 days anyway. I'm taking it $500 to $1,000 a day. I'm good. Here's another 563 at 251,119. Right here, 251,119. Next one is 594, 251, 1151. 251, 111. The next one is 251, 150. The next one I made $831. 831. 257.15. The next one I made $1,023. It's this one. For 259.46. Done. I'm at 18,375. Done. That's what I do every day. And I go through them every single day. This one underneath it is my Lilo for the day. Done with Lilo. Let me record Lilo for the day. Lilo is right here. Open up the rhythmic is the fastest. Let's go open up my Lilo. And we'll do my 3 Lilos for that. There's no Lilo. Done. Close that shit. So Lilo, I did 164.50 on this one. And it's at 106,207. Payout time for me. I think this one I've traded for like 14 days, 10 days, I guess. I started at 250. I made 256. 256.50. 256, and that's what I made. Look, 324, 610, 422, 115, 218, 182, 81. All the greens are wins. Look, dude, it's just wins, man. See, testing out the gladiator with prop shop, making it, then getting more accounts. Wins, man. Here's $148. I'm at 51,132. 51,132. Boom. And that's 148 bucks. Done. And this is 25 days, 6 days, 6 days. This is 2 days, 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 10 days. There you go. How you do it? The one underneath that is my bull knocks. Let me open up that one. The bull knocks. I made $275.50 on bull knocks right here, and 333 puts me at 50,380 and 51,169. Take profit trader. I made $258.50 right here. $258.50. This is now, it's a 25. But I got to adjust that column. So that one is now locked, done. And this one I made $5 just because it's my last day, and now I've qualified for a take profit account. It's 53,028. I made $4. 53,028, done. And that's what I do, and those are the profits and how I keep track, man. It's the highlight of my day. It's the highlight of my day. What are we at? 32. I could do another trade, but I won't. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Let me show you what I've done on my Apex Arena. Right here. Did pretty good. These are my Apex profits. I copy traded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 accounts, 586 grand. Apex, thank you to that. Pretty cool, right? And it's 11 o'clock. So now I go to lunch. And that's what I do every day. Every day. Who wants another giveaway? Hello, Andrew. Let's do YouTube again. Let's do another one for YouTube. So I had a good day today. I'll give you another account. Applications. Let's go YouTube giveaway. Boom. Let's go. Andrew, you need one. I see you, boss. Brad, you can't win again, but Andrew, let's go. Dave, you can win. Alex, Matt, come on. This is the Prop Shop 50K giveaway. I'm going to do a substitute because, hey, I want to hook Andrew up. Let's go, baby. Andrew, let's go, baby. 3, 2, 1. Who wins, homie? Matt. Okay. Mike, have I gotten a payout? No, I didn't get it yet, but you see what I did. I'm in line. Brad, you're the substitute, Schmeggy. Nice. So the winner is Matt Rad. Right here. On you gotta come. You could message me, Mojo Day Trading at Gmail. Info at Mojo Day Trading. Either one, I'll get them both. Go ahead, you can shoot me off your win, schmagag. There you go. I don't think I could post an image. Nah. But I'll post it on my Twitter for you, and I'll post a link. Homie. Because it was a Mojo day. Look at you go, Matt. Are you on Twitter? Congrats, Matt. Congrats. Are you on Twitter? Matt Rad? Any Matt Rads follow me? Nah. No. I'll post it there anyway. DM me for the prize, boss. Thanks, a prop shop. Look, I got a spelling mistake. Let's leave it like that. Done. 31, 32 would have been a good one. Let's look at LiDAR. Woohoo! Up $1.84 and 162%. Was that my swing pick at $1.05? It sure was. Let's see. What's my cost? Oh, here's my stock. Model portfolio. Wouldn't you like to have this model? Let's go. ASTI at 212 is 202. Hasn't moved yet. Mr. Press LiDAR, I told you, boss. Look at my fuel cell I bought to go Heinz 6 at 565 is 602. Fuel cell's gone at $10 because plug is almost at $2. See plug, look, plug. Here's plug on the daily. Well, let me show you actually my screen. Really, here we go. So here's the ASTI. It went up the other day. It's going to hang around. It's got a huge short of the float imprint. EHT, here's the fuel cell. Look at the fuel cell. Boom, breaking out. It's going to go right above this, which is 32, and head into $10. That's that. Look. See it? Oh my gosh, doesn't it look good? And here's my 100% winner, HUBC. I have 18 left just to prove it. I picked it at 204. It's 394, high 405 today. Here's IBRX. I got some left, 375, just to show you I have it at 274. Took some off the table today. It's at 293, high 303. This one has a lot of short interest. INMB at 238 is 283. Right here, I picked this one this Sunday. Congratulations, you guys getting in that one. INSM at 88 is now 103. Just got 3 shares left just to prove I picked that at 88 to go through Heinz 100. IXHL is the 4th gainer on the Nasdaq today, right down there on the left. I picked that at 19 cents. It's $1.44. I got 21 of those left just to prove I picked it at 19 cents. Okay. And then you have Kirkland's from Sunday's newsletter at $1.76. Already sold. Just have 100 shares left just to prove it. And it went to $2.26. It's probably a good buy again right now. I got some Lucid left. I think Lucid still goes to $4. I picked it at $2. Sold it all back. And here's LiDAR, $16,415 on 15,000 shares and trading LiDAR today. Look at that, high $4.80. LMFA funding. This one is 388. It's at 274. It got crushed, but it went all the way high at 514. That's why I only have a little bit left. But that's probably a good buy right now down here too. I'll add some back in there. Look at that, back to 4,000, and shit'll go up. I'll make right above $3. I'll make a ton of money again. Litecoin from 920 went to 11 and change. It went to 1120 from my pick at 920. Marin's gone. NAOV is a new one that I think is going to go over $1 and do a big squeeze. It has a large short interest. NUWE, I sold most of it at 26 cents. It's at $13 and 26 cents. So 2 of them on my list have been 1,000% plus gainers. Originally, plug at 30 cents went to $75 on me 8 years ago. So I've been in those sort of things that can do that. One day, plug was up $9 when it was at 75. And SBET already went to 120 from 5, and now it's at 25. And TDTH at 50 cents is 159. So I really know how to pick them. And that's the swing update for the day. I'm going to make that into a separate video. Yes, sir. So thanks again for watching, guys, and tune in for some more action on my live streams. I like doing updates. I trade so much better when I'm not forced to trade because I'm on a live stream and have to show something. I'll show the updates after what I did and how I made it. If you want to come trade with me during the day, I have my chat room, my Discord. Everybody's in there with me. I give you private coaching if I need to log in with you and trade with you and show you how to press the buttons. I do that. It's an extra expense, but it's well worth it because it puts you on the track so you can start getting payouts also. I've gotten 135 payouts for over $500,000, and I've just started. I've just begun. So with that said, peace. ProTrader Mike signing off. I'll see you on the next show. Later. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and give me all that love. Let's go.